Kids, come, let's guess the animal or the bird from the sound they make. Let's get started. Which is this animal? This is a cat. Which bird is this? Yes, this is a crow. Okay, tell the bird name making this noise. Correct, this is a peacock. Who is this? Yes, dog. Can you tell me which animal is this? Yes, right, horse. Who is mooing here? Correct, that's a cow. Which animal is making this sound? Sheep, yes, right, it's a sheep. Who is roaring here? Yes, lion, the king of the jungle. Which is the bird making sound here? Quack, quack. Yes, the duck. Who is this? Yes, you are right. Elephant. Which animal is this? That's a wolf. Who is making this noise in the morning? Yes, it's a hen. And here comes the last one. Who is this? Correct, it's a goat.